In this video, I'll show you how to promote impact affiliate product on Quora. In my previous video, I show you how to promote impact affiliate program on Medium, and we're gonna use this article to promote Namecheap on Quora. Because with Quora, you cannot drop your affiliate link and run away with it. If you wanna know how to write the article, watch my previous video. It's gonna help you. Let's get started. As part of the series, I want to continue promoting Namecheap. Once you log in, go to brands and my brands, then you're gonna end up on this page. Yours will be different depending on the product you want to promote. I'll continue promoting the Namecheap. Click on assets. Right here you have a bunch of resources you can use. I don't want to go into it. I want to use the general link. I'll click on this one, click on it, and this is the link. I have my link ready. It's time to go to Quora to start promoting it. And like I said, I'll use this article because I have to redirect people to this article, because on Quora, I cannot drop my affiliate link like this. You can't do that there. And I have it here as well. And sometimes they do check the link, where the link is going, and they will make sure this link is not just driving people to a quick landing page for people to buy stuff, which is crazy. Let's go back to Quora. First, you have to know the product you are about to promote. In this case, it's Namecheap. It's about web hosting. I'll type here web hosting. And by the way, if you don't have a Quora account, I have a tutorial on it. I'll drop it in the description box. Then I'll enter. When you enter, these are some of the questions that people have answered. And also, if you don't know, Quora is a question and answer platform. That's how this system is set up. I'm going to scroll down to check all the answers they have available. But my advice is filter it to the past 1 month. But I normally go with the display that Quora will show right from the beginning. And I go through the specific questions I'm looking forward to answer. And I will make sure it's not more than 1 month. Within July, I have this, July 4th, June 24th, July 3rd, and stuff like that. I'll go through and see what is the best web hosting to use, what is the best web hosting provider for personal website. I'll answer this one, and it's July 4th. What is the best web host to use? We have to find a question that will suit the article. Before, I use landing pages, but they keep blocking. You need a long article like this. As you can tell, Namecheap review, and I have all these things here, like the details. I'll go back, and if you want to know how people are answering it, right click and open in the new tab. I'll close this, and I'll go. These are some of the answers, like this one for instance. When you click more, you see, and the list goes on. Sometimes people have images, which is good. It grabs the attention of the reader. You can go to Canva to design your images. I have a link in the description box. I'll answer this. I'll close this first, and I'll click answer, and I'll copy this. I'm pretending as if you are a beginner. I'll copy, Ctrl C or right click, copy, and guess what? I can answer this straightforward, but I'm trying to be in your shoes. So I'll go to ChatGPT. I don't want to give out too much of the answers on my article, but I want ChatGPT to give me a summary. I'll paste this here, which is the question, and I'll say, let me close this, and I'll right click, open a new tab. I want to check something. Click here, more, and I'm gonna highlight. I'm showing you all the secrets, and up to here, right click, word count plus. You can install it. This is a free Chrome extension you can install. It's $249. I'll tell ChatGPT to write 250 or 300. I'll go back and I will say, answer this question. This is my ChatGPT prompt. Answer this question in 250 to 300 words. What is the best web host to use? But suggest or write your answer suggesting Namecheap. Use grade 8 English level. The writing style should be friendly and conversational. When you prompt your question like this, for sure ChatGPT will answer to suit the article. That's good. Let me enter and let's see. This is it. You have to read through, especially the first 1 or 2 paragraphs, to see if it's good. Choosing the right web host is a big decision when starting a website. It's like picking the perfect home for your site on the internet. If Namecheap is a great choice for both beginners and experts, I like this. Then you check the conclusion. Overall, Namecheap is solid. I will go with this, and I will check the word count. Right click, word counter, say 230. The other one 249, but it's close. So ChatGPT will never give you exactly what you are looking for. I'll copy everything, right click, copy, move to Quora. Sorry, I'll close this one and I'll click to answer this one because I realized that one is on top. And by the way, this answer suits any of these questions. Click answer, right click on the answer button, and then I will right click and paste as plain text. That way it keeps things it's exactly the way it's supposed to be. If you want to make any changes, you can make it, or you can push this up a bit. That's formatting I'm trying to do. The best advice is to write this yourself in case you don't want AI written content anymore on this platform. Next, we have to link. You don't have to say click here to read my article. Find a place for your call to action. Also, don't link right from the top like here or there. No, link at the end. I need to add a call to action. What I'll do, I'll click here and I'll say my Namecheap blog post reveals more on this topic. I'll highlight Namecheap blog post and I'll go to the article, and this is the article. Like I said, this is like over 1,000+ word count, which is good for ranking. Then click share, copy link, then move back, then click on the alphabet button, then click on the link, drop it, Ctrl V, and click add. Then I'll highlight and bold it like this. As you can tell, it's embedded within a text phrase that suits the article. I didn't say click here, go here, get this like Facebook. You can't instruct people on what to do or tell people do this, click here. No, don't do that. Like I said at the end of the article, I said my recent Namecheap blog post reveals more on this topic. I didn't instruct them to do anything. This is how you should do it. And like I said, don't give them too much. Even this, some people, like, even if you can write 1 to 3, that's fine, but you want to provide more. They know that at least you're trying to give out something good. And like these things, like I say, you can change them if you want, but if not, don't do it. We can add an image here. Let me push this down and click here. I'll see if I can add an image. Click on the image icon, then this is it. Click on it, open. It looks nice. Let's see. Let me see. This thing is too far. Yeah, I think I like it closer. I'll click on it one more time, then click on it, open. Yeah, this one is a bit closer. Let me click here and push it up. This is good. Gonna stop people from scrolling. And at the end, I have this right here. Or you know what? Let me see if I can take out the boldness from it, because I don't want something to make it look too attractive, even though that's what I want by this. Like I said, Quora, they can be funny. Once people click on this, it's taking them straight to this article, and on this platform, which is medium.com. Oh yeah, you can use your personal blog website or even YouTube video or YouTube channel. You can link that to it. But yeah, I have my affiliate link here. This is a direct affiliate link, but on this platform they don't care. As long as you issue affiliate disclosure, I'll show you. I have here as well, and this is the affiliate disclaimer or the disclosure. That's all this platform wants. If you don't have a website, this strategy works better. I'll click post. The Quora administrators will go through and check if what you've done is in agreement with their policy. If not, they're gonna delete it. This is it. This looks nice, and it's not like and you know what some affiliates do? They write 1 or 2 sentences or like short sentence, and then they will highlight this Namecheap and drop their affiliate link, and that's it. That's not how you do it. And I see even some gurus on YouTube teaching people to do that. It's not right. Quora want you to send people to an article or a website or a landing page, but that landing page should be filled with information. Yeah, this is the right way to promote Impact Affiliate Program on Quora. I hope you like this video. If this is your first time on this channel, please don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in my next video. Take care and have a wonderful day.